Hasta la vista, baby. Looks like she's got, I'm just tapping the throttle. It looks like she's got a lot of power. All right, gentlemen, taxiing and taking off. Oh my God, she's a giant, a gentle giant. Look at that, with 4 cells. Not bad. So far, so good. I didn't expect that. She sank a little too fast for my taste. I think I put too much expo on the elevator. Look at that thing. Yeah, it looks like she needs a little bit more prop speed. I'm gonna have to go to 5 cells. Otherwise, she's just about the right weight. Well, she's lighter because she doesn't have the lights. Wow, I can't believe it. She did a loop. She's very sensitive, pitch sensitive. Let me see here. I'm giving her some down and some right. There you go. All right, I'm gonna land. I don't need that.
That's enough maiden for you?
Yes. I know what she needs. She needs a little bit more power. All right, landing.
Needs that 6S.
5.
5? Is 5 what it is?
Well, no, 6 in the stock form. Oh, okay, here we go. Look at that. Can you believe that? Not bad for four cells. And another 4 in parallel. Thank you so much. That's good enough.